about something about may have, might have, must have, should have, and could have, and would have. As we all are using these things and just we are talking in the past, जिसके साथ में हम action verb की third form लगाते हैं, we always use the action verb third form, in which we all will be trying to speak like this. As the may का जो use करते हैं हम 50% possibility के लिए करते हैं और we are having some of the action and you will be trying to converse with the partner. So are you ready all? So you all will be trying to speak like this. It's like as I told you already कि 50% possibility के लिए may have का use कर रहे होते हैं. May have. Say may have. Plus action verb की third form. उसमें action की third form आती है. ये ध्यान रखना. So we are just having some kind of sentences to use in our common life, but we have to create some more and more type of sentences with this all. Got it? Now we are just talking about she may have gone somewhere urgently. That's why she is not present today. It means कि वह कहीं चली गई होगी आज अर्जेंटली, इसलिए वो आज नहीं आई है, इसलिए वो आज प्रेजेंट नहीं है. That it means we have to say like that. She may have gone somewhere urgently today. That's why she is not present. So you have to say she may have gone somewhere urgently today. That's why she didn't come today. She may have come. She may have gone somewhere urgently. She may have gone somewhere urgently. That's why she is not present today. She is not present today. Okay, next day. He may have seen his result. तो एज आई टोल्ड यू कि हम 50-50% अनुमान लगा रहे हैं किसी काम के होने का पास्ट के लिए, तो हम बोल रहे होते हैं he may have seen his result. तो उसने अपना रिजल्ट देख लिया होगा. He may have seen his result. तो उसने अपना रिजल्ट देख लिया होगा. He may have seen his result. ट्रेन may have reached at the station. तो ट्रेन स्टेशन पर पहुंच गई होगी. The train may have, so I should go now. Oh, train may have reached at the station, so I should go now. Say, train may have reached at the station, so I should go now. मतलब देखो, हो सकता है ट्रेन पहुंच गई हो तो मुझे अभी चलना चाहिए. तो हो सकता है ट्रेन पहुंच गई होगी स्टेशन पर तो मुझे अब चलना चाहिए. So train may have reached at the station, so I should go now. You may have heard about CTBT. You may have heard about CTBT. कभी सुना है? Have you ever heard about it? हो सकता है तुमने सुना हो. You may have heard about CTBT. हो सकता है इसने सुना हो. He may have heard about it. He might have heard about it. शायद ही, बहुत ही कम चांस है. very less possibility of getting something from somebody. कि आप किसी तीसरे व्यक्ति के बारे में पूछ रहे होते हैं या बता रहे होते हैं कि उसने शायद ही इस बारे में सुना होगा. तो मैं कह सकता हूं इनके बारे में कि she might have heard about it. We are using and focusing over that might have. Might have plus action verb की third form. Here में सुनना होता है और here की third form heard होती है. बोल रहे हैं he might have heard about it. Okay, she might have cooked the food today because she was not feeling well. Yes, she was not well. So she might have cooked the food today because she was not well. She might have cooked the food today because she was not well. She might have cooked the food today because she was not well. Okay. Is it getting on your tongue or not? You need to do the practice of getting the tongue. क्योंकि टंग पर आना जरूरी होता है. और इससे रिलेटेड फिर आप और भी कई तरीके के सेंटेंसेस को आप बोल सकते हो. यदि आप लगातार इस तरीके के सेंटेंसेस को आप बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हो तो आप दैट यू मे फील कंफर्टेबल टू स्पीक द सच काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. केवल आप फिर यही सेंटेंस नहीं बोलोगे. इससे से रिलेटेड यू मे हैव सम हैंकी, okay, to wipe your face would be fine. Yeah, it's okay. You are in the habit of it. Okay, so Chintu might have studied. That's why he couldn't perform well. Chintu might have studied. That's why he couldn't perform well. चिंटू ने शायद ही स्टडी करी होगी तभी वह अच्छा नहीं कर पाए एग्जाम में. तो चिंटू might have studied well, that's why he couldn't perform well. Okay, now let's move to the second eighth one, as it is used for must have. We are using this must have. जब हम कहते हैं कि 100% possibility होगी, when we say the 100% possibility of doing something, then we have to say, is it visible or not? Is it visible? I think is it visible? It's visible. Okay. So I will have to go to. I will have to go now. अब मुझे जाना होगा अपने अंकल को लाने के लिए बेटा. I will have to go now to pick up my uncle. I will have to go now to pick up my uncle. कहाँ से? From the station. So I will have to go now to pick up my uncle from the station. Because train must have arrived at the platform. Train must have arrived at the platform. Train must have arrived at the platform. So I will have to go now. Because one of my uncle is coming from Lucknow. So I will have to go to station to pick up my uncle from there. Because train must have arrived at the platform. You must have seen your result. तुमने अपना रिजल्ट तो देखा ही होगा, तो मुझे अपना नंबर बता दो. ओके, सो टेल मी योर मार्क्स. अब तुम्हारा रिजल्ट आ गया है. रिजल्ट हैज बीन डिक्लेयर्ड एंड यू मस्ट हैव सीन योर रिजल्ट. सो टेल मी योर मार्क्स. यू मस्ट हैव सीन योर रिजल्ट. तो मैं तो अपना, मेरा अंदाजा कहता है, मेरा अनुमान कहता है, मेरा गैस कहता है कि आपने अपना रिजल्ट पक्का देख लिया होगा. तो आप अपने नंबर मेरे को बताइए. तो यू मस्ट हैव सीन योर रिजल्ट. सो प्लीज टेल मी योर मार्क्स. टीचर मस्ट हैव पनिश्ड हिम. दैट्स व्हाई ही स्टार्टेड सल्किंग. टीचर ने उसको दंडित किया होगा, इसको पनिश किया होगा, तभी मुंह फुला के बैठा हुआ है चुपचाप. Are you getting the points? The teacher must have punished him. That's why he started sulking. अब इसी के बेस पर आपको ना अपने तरफ से कुछ sentences क्रिएट करने हैं. It all depends on your ability, because I just created the sentences from my side. Okay, not from any kind of books. I just got it and I'm just telling you to all create such kind of sentences in your homework notebook to put on the notebook, so that I may check your notebook very carefully and find it. Really you are able to communicate, you are able to think about this all. Now they must have gone to the Punagiri. That's why the door is locked. ये एक सेंटेंस अपनी एक छोटी सी कहानी बता रहा है कि जब मेरे अपने यहाँ गया था, अपने दोस्त के यहाँ गया था. आई वेंट टू माय फ्रेंड्स होम एंड देन आई सॉ दैट द डोर वाज क्लोज्ड. Door was locked, so I thought that he must have gone to the Punagiri with his family. So they must have gone to the Punagiri today. That's why door is locked. तो door lock क्यों है? क्योंकि मुझसे कह रहा था, he was saying to me that I will go to the Punagiri next week. And then when I went there that day, I didn't know whether they gone or not. I forgot that day. But when I just saw the door on their lock on the gate, then I got it. I clicked. One thing is clicked in my mind कि I think वो चले गए होंगे कहाँ पर? पूर्णगिरी चले गए. They must have gone to the Punagiri. तो मेरा अंदाजा कह रहा था कि वो चले गए होंगे पूर्णगिरी. तो पूर्णगिरी चले गए होंगे, इसलिए वो आज लोक लगा हुआ है. So they must have gone. Okay, next is should have. Should have. These are the fourth condition of getting such kind of models we are using. You should have. करना चाहिए था. सर जरूरी कोई सलाह दे रहे हैं, पास्ट के लिए सलाह दे रहे हैं कि तुम्हें ये करना चाहिए था, तुम्हें ये नहीं करना चाहिए था. तो should have. तो you should have finished your work in the time. देखो देखो ऐसा है ना, you should have finished your work in the time. It's not good. ये अच्छी बात नहीं है, इट्स नॉट गुड थिंग्स। तुम एक समझदार अच्छे कर्मठ व्यक्ति हो हमारे इस संस्थान के, तो तुम्हें अपना काम करना चाहिए था टाइम पर ही। यू 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 शुड हैव कंप्लीट योर वर्क in the time. Okay, you should have finished your work in the time. He shouldn't have behaved like that with his mother. जब मैंने उसको देखा कि वो अपने मम्मी से इस तरीके का बिहेव कर रहा है, तो मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगा. I felt so odd to see that boy, that how was he behaving with his mother. Really, he shouldn't have behaved with her mother like that, or he shouldn't have behaved like that with his mother. Say, he shouldn't have behaved like that with his mother. तुम्हें स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल से इस तरीके का बिहेव नहीं करना चाहिए था. You shouldn't have behaved with the principal like this. You shouldn't have behaved like that from her. You shouldn't have behaved like that with him. Okay, so you will be creating some more and more type of sentences with the help of these all the things. So I hope you will be doing the regular practice and giving you 5 to 10 minutes to converse with your partners about it. I hope you will be doing and writing on the notebook about this all the things. So continue.